Explain from the beginning. Okay, I'll explain from the beginning this one. So first launch the application URL. So then we are launching the application URL. So launching the application URL. So then you will get a login. So one pop-up. There you close that login pop-up. Right, let me open from the beginning. Okay, so this is the one. So you need to click on this cross again if you don't want login. If you want login, you can give your username, the email or mobile number. So you'll get the OTP, all this OTPs. So it's difficult to handle that. So you need to handle that OTP things. You need to get the OTP value from database, and then you can type it. Basically, you will get the OTP from the database. From the database, you will type it here. So you will store that OTP from the database in one variable. That variable you can give it to your send keys method. So that's how we will handle OTPs generally. So once that is, you need to click on this electronics. This was the change. So they added, before it was directly a menu item. Now they added one hard menus here, and then click on this. Then it will go to next. You will get a menu here. So this menu, then you mouse over on this laptops. First we are mouse overing on the electronics. Then you wait. So move to element you have to do on the electronics. So then you mouse over on the laptop. That means move to element you have to call for the laptops. Then you perform the click action. So once click action is done, I'm just verifying this heading. So that's what we have done. So and so if driver.find by .xpath, if that span element, that cross icon is displayed, then I am highlighting that and I'm clicking on that. So then click on the electronics menu item, driver.find element by .xpath, electronics. So menu you are clicking. So then, identify the electronics menu, basically. Menu element. Then you identified the menu. So mouse over on electronics menu element. So we have written here a lot of XPath. These XPaths are changed. So we have written now, right? So this is the XPath we have written. And then, so I'm highlighting that element, electronics menu highlighting, then moving the cursor to electronics menu dot perform. So then identify the laptop submenu. Once the menu is opened, so you identify the laptop's submenu. So wait dot until expected conditions start, visibility of laptop submenu option. So WebDriver utils dot highlight element one, driver comma laptop submenu option. So act dot move to element. So I'm just moving the cursor to this laptop submenu option and click on the final option. So then you verify. So right, how do you know this laptop submenu page is displayed? So you have to verify something. That's what I'm waiting for, the visibility of that element. So element means you have to write driver.find element, right? So that's what I'm putting directly in the visibility method. So as an argument, I'm writing driver.find element by .xpath, thread.slip. So this is how you can write these programs. Now, so we need to understand how to use a build method, right? That's what you're asking. So build method, when to use. So you need to do multiple actions. Okay, multiple actions you need to perform. So those multiple actions, so here it is. Let me show this multiple actions. Basically, this one is so actions method. So we are opening the LinkedIn website. Okay. Then wait for the page title. So you can assert the page title. So wait dot until expected conditions dot the sign in. Okay. So there is a have logo link. That logo link you are waiting, and then sign in link you are just so checking that sign in link is displayed and is enabled. Then you perform the click action. Then it will go to next page. I'm identifying the username edit box using ID. Then username edit box dot clear. First I'm clearing anything is there, clearing. So then create object app for actions, act equal to new actions of driver. On this edit box, I'm performing lot of actions class methods. See that. So act dot click. First I'm clicking on this username edit box. Then on that element, I'm pressing the shift key. Then I'm typing the Selenium in lowercase. Now, can you tell me what is happening here? You press the shift key, then you're typing. What will happen? If you press the shift key manually in the keyboard, then you type, what will happen? Can you tell me that?
Uppercase it will.
Uppercase letter. It will type in uppercase letter. This is the one interview question. How can you type in cap letters? Not giving cap letters. So if you type lowercase, then it should type in uppercase in the website. How can you do that? So that is the question answer is this one. Then, so once your purpose is done, shift key purpose, I'm lifting up that shift key with the key up method. So then you are performing the double click operation. Then you are performing the right click operation. So then build. See, this is the build method. What it will do? It will generate the composite action. The build method is why when you can use if you are using a multiple methods on the same element, it will trigger this all the actions by this build method, and one composite action will generate. That action, if you want to complete, you have to call perform method. Perform is a void method. So build method will generate the composite action interface object. So that is how you can use a build method. Is this clear now, Priya?
Yes, Ramesh.
So whenever you are doing a multiple actions on the element or your multiple sequence of action class methods you are calling, all that actions are need to be started or triggered. Then you can call build method. After build method, you call the perform. If you call perform, here also you can call perform. Then you don't need this one. Okay? Because perform doesn't return, right? Anything. Perform is just performs. That's it. So that's how you can use this. So perform method and build methods. Yeah. Now you can call this program. Then just include in the That's it. So on this program, see all methods you observe, double click, then context click. So double click will highlight in the edit box. See, it's highlighting and perform the right click operation. So right click operation also it happened. So after the right click, maybe you can so copy that value also. Right, you can do that. Multiple actions in the sequence you are performing, then you need to use a build method. Series of actions class methods you are calling, use build, then perform method. Perform will finish the actions, build will trigger the composite actions. Composite means many actions, right? So that's a composite actions means. So that's how you can use build method and so this composite actions. Okay. Now, so the last program, let's see today. Open link in new tab and a new window. So how to open a link in new tab and new window. Series. So there are multiple ways I'm showing here. One is a one test method, and also there is a Selenium 4 features I'm showing here also. Selenium 4 features also I'm showing. So let's see first old thing, how you can open a new window and those things. First, you can take up any website, okay? So it doesn't matter, you have to take only one website. Any website you can take and identify that page objects, page title and assertions, you do that. Now, so I'm just waiting for the LinkedIn logo. It is also not required, okay? So web element sign in link, you identify and click on the sign in link. Now, username edit box, I'm just typing and clear the content. So I'm just, typing, okay? Basically, I'm using WebDriver utils. The method you can type, I'm covering the, how can you type without using send case method. So set attribute of username edit box. So value attribute and Selenium WebDriver I'm typing. So then I'm highlighting that username edit box. So this purpose I have used this code. Otherwise, this code to open in the new tab, you don't need this. But I just wrote that for showing this method, how to call the method instead of send case. How can you type without using send case method? You have to write this. Now I'm identifying the forget password. So this forget password I need to open in the new tab and a new window also. So how can you open that? See here, string tab keys dot chord keys dot control comma keys dot return. So control return will open in the new tab. So anything. Then new window means string new window keys dot chord and keys dot shift and keys dot enter. Shift plus enter. So we'll open the new window. So what this chord method will do is, so this chord method will take multiple keys. So that's what this chord method purpose. And opening the link in new tab, the element dot send keys and pass this tab. That means basically you are sending this entire thing. So that's what you can write directly here also, but I'm just showing separately. And after some time, so I'm opening the forget password link in new window. So this is the one, this entire thing I'm just putting in the one string variable that I'm passing the, so that argument to send case method. Thread.sleep. So this is how you can use this new window, new tab, these two. So under Selenium 4 feature says, open the new tab and switch to it and open any URL in that tab. See that? Driver dot, switch to method dot, new window. We have window method, right? Here new window method is there. So window type dot tab, if you write, new tab will open to you. And then navigate to any other URL. I'm navigate, see navigate method I'm calling driver dot navigate method dot to of Facebook, because you are already in the LinkedIn page. Now you are navigating. So new tab opened here. This line will open the new tab. So already you switch to the new tab. Now there you are opening a Facebook tag. Then open the new window and switch to it. Driver dot switch to method dot new window. Window type dot window. So window type dot window. So open the URL in the new window. So driver dot navigate method dot to of https amazon.in. So I'm opening the new window amazon.in. So that's how you can switch directly to new tabs and new window using this new window method and argument you pass window type, tab, window you want, which one you want. So that's how you can handle this new windows and new tabs. So let's go run this program. Just commenting out, so I don't want to run all of them. If you want, you can run all of them, so not a big deal. So TestNG programs dot class name. Now you can right click and run as TestNG suite. If you forget password, will open in the new tab and new window also it open. So that's how we can close all the windows also that are open. So this is all about actions class, methods, and how to use them. Okay. So next class we have only pending file upload, file download, and so then handling the calendars, how to handle calendars. These 3 programs are there, so you can finish them quickly. So mostly it will finish by Monday, and Monday or next class or Sunday, right? So Sunday. So then we can start the framework quickly, because we need to spend more time on the framework only, not here. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Any questions?
No, Ramesh.
Okay.
No, Ramesh.